I'm so bored after school and I'm always hungry.
Me too. Oh, look, there's a cooking club.
Oh, we should join.
Yeah, but like we should like sign up now because I don't want to be put on the waiting list.
Yeah.
What are you cooking right now?
We're cooking brownie cookies,
What do you hope to cook next time?
pasta.
That's nice. Hi, what are you making?
We're making brownie cookies.
What do you hope to cook next time?
I hope we make more cookies because those taste pretty good.
What would you rate this club from 1 to 10 and why?
I'd say 10 because it's a really fun club and you get to learn a lot about cooking.
Hi guys.
Hi.
What are you guys making?
We're making brookies. Yeah, brookies.
Okay. Would you recommend this club to other people?
Yeah, if you like cooking or
Okay.
like baking.
What type of people would you recommend this club to?
People who
like to bake
yeah.
or cook or like has free time and want to do stuff.
Okay. Guys making?
So we're making brownie cookies.
Wow, that sounds good. What do you hope next to cook in this club?
I hope we make ramen. Yes, ramen or like French fries, something.
That sounds good.
Or like cupcakes.
Hi.
What are you cooking right now?
We're making a brownie cookies.
What do you hope to cook next time?
Next time I hope to cook something kind of like salty, so maybe like garlic bread.
Okay. What do you rate this club from 1 to 10 and why?
I rated a 10 out of 10 because it's very like inclusive and really fun.
What's your name?
Mrs. Valky.
Okay. What is your favorite part of Cooking Club?
My favorite part about Cooking Club is I have a lot of students, maybe first trimester, and then at Cooking Club I get to see them the entire year. So it's really about the students.
Oh, that's really sweet. What is your favorite food that you and the students have cooked so far?
Gosh, that's hard because every month we do one sweet and one savory. I tend to like the ones that they have some choice. So if we do a pasta lab, sometimes they do marinara, sometimes they, just do buttered noodles. So just a recipe that they have choice that's fun to see what they come up with.
That sounds really, really good. I want to join this club. But can you describe Cooking Club for me in 3 words?
I would say it's relaxed, it's fun, and it's creative. Hands-on cooking.
I completely agree.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Miss Saheda.
What's your favorite part of Cooking Club?
My favorite part of Cooking Club is that people who are not necessarily currently in a cooking class or able to take one still have the opportunity to come and cook with friends.
What's your favorite food you and the students cooked?
Recently we made ramen and they were able to add different add-ins, so I thought that was fun.
Describe Cooking Club in 3 words.
I think it's fun, laid back, and good food.
Okay, thank you.
Cooking Club.
List.
Me too.
The eraser fell.